Amazon's movers and shakers list highlights products that are currently trending. In this video, we'll show you 17 home products Amazon customers are loving right now. Let's get started. Designed for small spaces, this laundry basket easily folds flat when not in use, saving space and keeping your home clutter-free. Whether in the laundry room or closet, it helps you stay organized while taking up minimal space. Despite its collapsible design, this basket is generously sized at 10.5 by 24.25 by 17.5 inches when open, perfect for holding a full load of laundry. When folded down, it measures just 3 inches high, saving up to 70% space compared to traditional laundry baskets. For your convenience, the basket features comfortable grip handles on both sides, making it easy to carry throughout your home without straining your hands. This ultra-soft and thick mat provides a warm, cozy landing after stepping out of the shower, protecting your feet from cold tiles. The dense, plush chenille offers exceptional comfort and warmth, giving your toes the luxurious feeling of walking on clouds. Super absorbent and quick-drying, this fluffy microfiber mat efficiently soaks up water in seconds, keeping your bathroom floor dry and smelling fresh. With Yimobra, you'll enjoy a dry, cozy space without the worry of wet floors. Cleaning is a breeze. Our bath rug is machine washable and features a durable anti-slip adhesive backing to ensure it stays securely in place. Maximize your space with the Budding Joy underbed storage containers, perfect for keeping items out of sight but always within reach. This 2-pack of storage bags is ideal for organizing extra sheets, seasonal clothes, or even your crafting supplies like yarn. Constructed from premium, odorless, 3-ply thick nonwoven fabric, these containers are both durable and breathable, ensuring your items stay fresh during long-term storage. Unlike other storage bins, they are free of cardboard or metal supports, making them lightweight and flexible, and they arrive collapsed for easy storage when not in use. Master precision in the kitchen with the Pyrex glass measuring cups. This 2-piece set includes a 1-cup and 2-cup measuring glass, perfect for baking, cooking, mixing, and more. With bold, easy-to-read measurements in both ounces and milliliters, you'll eliminate guesswork and pour with confidence every time. Plus, the curved spout ensures precise, drip-free pouring, while the easy grip handles provide comfort and control. Crafted from high-quality, non-porous glass, these measuring cups are BPA-free, non-toxic, and won't absorb food odors, flavors, or stains, making them a durable and safe choice for any kitchen. This versatile device is compatible with both wide and standard mouth mason jars. Simply attach the appropriate seal, center it on your jar lid, and press a button. In just 40 seconds, your food is sealed and preserved, extending its shelf life significantly. Say goodbye to manual pumping and cluttered countertops. This cordless, portable sealer does all the work for you with just one press of a button. It's perfect for home use, travel, or even picnics. The kit includes the electric vacuum sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, and 5 lids each for wide and regular mouth jars. Everything you need to start preserving your food more efficiently. Introducing the Cuisinart Mesh Strainers, your versatile kitchen essential for sifting, straining, and rinsing. Ideal for sifting dry ingredients when baking or for straining sauces, soups, and more, these strainers are made from durable stainless steel mesh for long-lasting strength and performance. Built to handle a variety of kitchen needs, they're an excellent addition to any cook's toolkit. Easy to use and dishwasher safe, cleanup is a breeze, allowing you to save time and effort in the kitchen. Stay cool and comfortable with the Amazon Basics Air Circulator fan, designed for both functionality and compact convenience. Measuring just 6.3 by 11.1 by 10.9 inches, this small but powerful fan is perfect for tight spaces like bedrooms, home offices, living rooms, and kitchens. With 3 7-inch blades, it delivers efficient airflow without taking up much room on your floor or table. Customize your cooling experience with the adjustable 90-degree tilt feature, allowing you to direct airflow exactly where you need it. Easily control the speed settings with the back-mounted knob, choosing from low, medium, or high speeds to suit your comfort level. This brush features a soft yet resilient head that thoroughly cleans without scratching the toilet glaze, ensuring your bowl stays sparkling and unharmed. The customized detachable base is well ventilated, allowing air to circulate and keeping the brush dry and fresh between uses. With its soft silicone rubber head, the brush easily reaches into all the grooves and hard-to-reach areas, delivering a deep and thorough clean every time. Choose to mount it on the wall using the included sticker or place it freestanding on the floor for easy access wherever you need it. This 32-gallon powerhouse is built to last, featuring high-quality materials with UV inhibitors that resist fading, warping, cracking, or crushing. It's designed to withstand even the most extreme environments, making it perfect for home, garage, or outdoor use. Innovation meets practicality with the Brute's venting channels, making liner removal up to 50% easier. The integrated cinches secure liners without knots, tested to an impressive 20,000 cycles. Ergonomically designed with rounded, reinforced handles, this can is easy to lift and move, even when fully loaded. This easy-to-use digital clock allows you to set 2 different alarms, perfect for families with different schedules. With features like a 4-level adjustable alarm volume, 5-level brightness dimmer, and a built-in USB charging port, this clock caters to all your bedside needs. Plus, the snooze button gives you an extra 9 minutes of sleep before sounding the alarm again. The large 7-inch LED display ensures clear, easy visibility from across the room, making it ideal for those who are vision impaired. The alarm volume can be customized to be loud enough for heavy sleepers or softer for light sleepers. This powerful bug spray tackles the toughest home-invading insects, ensuring your home stays bug-free. Its long-lasting formula creates a bug barrier that provides up to 12 months of protection against ants, roaches, and spiders on non-porous indoor surfaces. Use it anytime, whether as a preventative treatment or after spotting evidence of insect activity. It's effective against recurring issues. Feel confident using this spray both indoors and outdoors. Apply it in kitchens, bathrooms, around doors and windows indoors, or along the perimeter of foundations, patios, decks, and garages outdoors. Crafted from tough and heavy-duty plastic, ensuring long-lasting performance and safety. With an ergonomic carrying handle, it quickly folds with just one hand, perfect for easy transport and storage. The handle magically appears when folded flat, making it effortless to carry around and place where you need it. Designed with safety in mind, the stool features a squash protection stopgap to prevent accidental pinches when folding and rounded corners to avoid bumping or clashing. These thoughtful features prioritize your safety, making it ideal for everyday use. Perfect for indoor use, this rack allows you to air dry your clothes without the need for electricity. Great for both your wardrobe and the environment. Crafted from durable, lightweight steel, it features a sleek chrome finish that resists rust and mildew, ensuring long-lasting use. The accordion-style design folds flat, making it easy to carry and store away when not in use, saving valuable space in your home. Measuring 14.5 by 29.5 by 41.8 inches, this rack provides ample room for drying multiple items while supporting up to 32 pounds of laundry. These hooks provide a sleek and nearly invisible solution, perfect for tool organization and both indoor and outdoor use. Just avoid application on painted walls. Built to last, these multi-purpose hooks can support up to 22 pounds on smooth surfaces. Use them as robe hooks, coat hooks, towel hooks, or even for hanging tools and keys. Their durability makes them ideal for various applications, including outdoor settings. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Simply stick the hooks onto clean, dry surfaces. There's no need for nails or drilling, and they can be reused after cleaning and drying without damaging your walls or leaving marks behind. Designed for convenience, this hamper pops up in seconds and collapses just as easily, making it perfect for those with limited storage. Its portable design also makes it an ideal companion for travel, whether it's for weekend getaways or family vacations. For added functionality, the hamper features a built-in side pocket, perfect for sorting smaller items or even for labeling to make organization easier than ever. Constructed from high-quality, breathable mesh, this hamper promotes optimal airflow to help reduce unpleasant odors and keep your laundry fresh. Simplify laundry day with the Lifewit collapsible laundry baskets, designed to stand on their own and make organizing a breeze. Featuring a freestanding structure with a sturdy iron wire frame sewn into the top edges, these baskets remain upright even when empty. Just stretch them out and they're ready to use. Built for convenience, the laundry basket is equipped with reinforced handles, designed with strong stitching for tackling even the heaviest loads. Whether you're carrying it up the stairs or to the laundromat, the long handles make transporting your laundry a breeze with one or two hands. Simplify your sink and bathtub setup with the V-Top Bathtub Drain Stopper, a universal flat design that ensures a watertight seal without any leaks. Measuring 5 inches 13 centimeters, this drain stopper is large enough to cover various drain sizes, making it perfect for use in kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, the stopper is not only soft and flexible, but also durable for long-term use. Easy to clean with soap and water, this bathroom essential is also ideal for renters looking for convenient and renter-friendly bath accessories.